Hello traders, this is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you could be here with me. Guys, just wanted to show you since yesterday I have been in quite a few trades here and yeah, there is a reason for that besides me being a little bit wacky. Okay, let me show you what it is that I've been doing as of late. This is actually a trade that I'm in right now, but we're going to use this Euro USD chart. And you can see that I have shrunken this chart so that you can get a full picture of what's been going on for about the past 2 days. And this is the Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame, and you can see my trend lines here, and these are temporary trend lines that I've drawn on that chart. Okay, guys, I know my charts look like hell. I'm sorry. But that's the thing about your own charts. It's such a mess that only you can understand these things. And my different horizontal lines are for different time frame. The yellow ones, though, are the most temporary. Those are the ones that I use on the 1 minute time frame, and these are areas of support and resistance from yesterday. So that's what that is. That's the longer term time frame, and currently we are in a bullish trend, and this is the thing that let me know on the Euro USD that we were going to go bullish a little bit ago. Now this is the Euro USD on the monthly time frame, and you can see that we got down here. This is that 200 period MA, and also this was that longer term trend line. My longer term trend lines on the monthly time frame, weekly, they are green. So we hit this trend line and we got a rejection there. We're still below that 50 period here, but we did get that bounce off of the 200, and we've been going strong ever since. So with that little bit of background, and I'm going to remove these volumes so you can see more of what it is that I like to share. Okay, you can see where I started drawing my trend line. We broke through the trend line, and now I've drawn a second trend line, and these are actually the big green ones are off of my monthly time frame. But guys, this has been my strategy, and I recently put out a video about concrete trading rules, and I have deleted that video. I just put it out last week because it was not working in the current market that we're in. But considering we have been going strong bullish every day, what I've been doing is waiting until the end of the market day, seeing where we are in respect to our support and resistance. And for the last 2 days, we've actually been going in a bullish fashion before falling down. So, guys, this is that elementary principle that you've heard a billion times over. But what I have been doing is shorting the top, and not the tippy top, of course, but shorting the top and buying the dips. And that's why you saw so many trades that I've put in. I've actually put in what, like 46 trades in the last 2 days. Yesterday I did about 40 40 something, and I did a few this morning, but I've been running errands all day long. But this is what I have been doing every day. um, Once the market goes above the previous day's resistance, I look for an opportunity to short. Don't short for very long, simply because it is a bullish market. Wait for the European session. Usually that's when we've been getting our lows, and I just keep buying the lows and keep buying the lows and keep buying the lows and jumping off and buying the lows. So guys, that has been my strategy as of late. Now I've switched over to this Euro JPY, and the reason for that is because I thought this better demonstrated what it was that I wanted to share with you. Um, and this is, I'm sorry, on the 1 hour time frame. But this is what I've been seeing a lot in the market lately. Just this crazy price action. 1 minute you'll have bullish, bearish, and just this kind of thing that just makes no sense. You get this strong bull, then you get this bear, little bull, bear, gigantic bull. So like I said, what I've been doing, I have been just buying the lows, buying as many lows as I possibly can, and it's been a strategy. that has been working for me. So, guys, with all of the sophistication that we have on our charts, please do not forget the basics. Every day, once you get proper confirmation, of course, every day, what you're looking to do is you are looking to sell the high. And of course, you're not going to get the high unless you're the bank. But you're looking to sell the high and you're looking to buy the low. And in a bullish market, you are looking to buy the dips. You're looking to buy the dips. Um, it will be too time consuming to show you all of my trades, but I would say about 88% of the trades that I've made in the last 2 days have been buys. Just buys. Just buys. Once we hit the bottom, and of course I don't ride it all the way down to the bottom because I'm scared, but once we hit the bottom, I'm buying, I'm buying, I'm buying. And this is the thing. What if I'm wrong? Because I was actually in the market here this morning when we got the bounce. What if I'm wrong? If I'm wrong, so what? I'll go ahead and cut it and go in the direction of the trade. But guys, this is what you want to keep in mind. After a long period of selling, you don't want to jump in and sell too. If you've had, and it depends on the time of day. So anywhere from a 30, 60, or 100 plus pip drop, like when I woke up this morning, that had dropped over 100 pips off of the high. So I knew it was about time for that bounce again. But depending on the market, if you have a drop 30, 60, 100 plus pips, then what you're looking for is the opportunity to go long. Also, and by the way, this is why I took this short a few minutes ago in this Euro JPY, because we were starting to make a series of lower highs. Just wanted to throw that in. Okay, guys, I've shrunk in this sum. I saw something in the market that I have not seen in a really good while. I saw this last night around 7 p.m. I was tired and had a long day, so I decided not to get in the market. And because it was a bullish market and I saw this setup, I thought, oh, this is probably going to fall very hard. And it actually did. So I figured during the European session, I would get the opportunity to go long in harmony with the overall trend. But guys, I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful in Forex. The only thing that I want to save out of those concrete rules and to remind you of is to cut bad trades quickly. You are never stuck in the market. If you make a bad decision, so what? Go ahead and cut your losses and go in the direction of trend and make yourself some money. Guys, have a terrific weekend. Yes, you can be successful at Forex.